how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet using debit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet using a debit card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet using a debit card, all you have to do is simply open up the Trust Wallet application here. And once you launch the Trust Wallet app, you're gonna see this type of interface here. Now, for example, if you're going to buy Bitcoin over here by simply tapping the buy option, the option you have by default is buy with credit card. And even if I tap on the credit card option and then I try to change the payment method, the other option here I have is Google Pay. So there is no debit card option. But there is one thing that you can do. If Trust Wallet doesn't accept debit card by default, Google Pay does. So what you have to do is you have to make sure to add your debit card to your Google Pay separately if you use Google Pay. On Apple, if you use Apple Pay, then that's how it's going to work. So add your debit card to Google Pay and pay using your Google Pay instead if you have Google Pay and not credit card. This way you should be able to go ahead and then buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet using your debit card. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.